Hey everyone, so we're doing another video today. It's just going to be a real sort of quick, easy one. It's just going to be changing the battery over in the key fob on one of these Freelanders. These are fairly sort of common housings though, so I should imagine this will work with most cars with this style key fob with the separate key, so it's obviously not all in one. These are quite, like I say, these are quite common. I've seen them on quite a few cars now, so hopefully it can help out more people in the sort of Freelanders as well. All you're going to need is just like a little electrical screwdriver, or just any screwdriver with a sort of thin, sort of flathead surface on it, and that's about it really. And a new battery, I think on these it's a CR2032, so I can leave a link and a QR code to those on the video as well. Hopefully help out if you just sourcing the battery. But yeah, it's really simple, a couple of minutes, well less than a minute to change these over, so let's get on and get it changed over. Okay, so just come inside for now, just a bit easier to record. So this is not the best lighting, but here's the unit itself. And as you can see around the edge, you've got this sort of seam, so you can see it, if I point with this, just around here. Just the seam sort of midway around the key fob. I find it easiest to start at the top here. I'm going to do this whilst working around the camera. And basically, get that screwdriver into the groove and just turn it slightly. Make sure you don't want to chew up the plastic as best as you can. This key's relatively soft now. They're quite old, so they're relatively soft plastic. But if you turn it around, you'll see it's starting to open up. So there we go. That should be enough. And you just want to get your nails in there, and it should just pop open like so. So in here you've got the chip. And this is our battery here. Now this is the CR2032 from memory. So the easiest way to get the battery out is, if you look on the sort of base of it here, try and get the angle, there's obviously these two prongs that come down, they sort of clamp it in a little bit. But if you just push up from this bit here, it should just slowly get a better grip. There we go, push the battery up and out from the housing. I'll go a little bit more, there we go. And that is our battery out. So now you want to go and get the new battery. There we go. So there is on these ones, the camera will pick up on it, like here we go, at the dotted side and the flat side. So the dotted side faces towards this green motherboard bit. So get the keychain bit out of the way, goes in like that and just clicks in. And that is it done. That is the battery swapped over. This case just comes around and clicks back on. And that is us done. So all there's left to do now is just test the key and make sure it's working. Okay, so just a quick test for the key fob. Works perfect. There we go. And locking. Perfect. Yep, we know it works.